girl Adina. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a moment today to share my Kwanzaa practice with you, and I'm going to do that over this week with members of my family and friends who come to the house. Today is the first day of Kwanzaa, and I actually have Kwanzaa set up in our kitchen for the second time. My family's been celebrating Kwanzaa for many, many years. I have my mom and my husband here who are going to come on camera and talk about it a little bit. But let's talk about what Kwanzaa is, the symbols of Kwanzaa, how our family got into the celebration of Kwanzaa, and how you can make it yours as well. So as you see here, I have the Kanara, which is the candle holder. Funny story about this Kanara. We made this Kanara many years ago, maybe about 20 years ago, at the Boys and Girls Club when we were celebrating Kwanzaa and teaching them about what Kwanzaa is. Kwanzaa is an African-American holiday started in the 60s by Dr. Maulana Karenga, and it means first fruit. So the Kanara is a candle holder that we made. And the significance of it for me is that we actually made it. You know, the wood, and drilled it and shellacked it. So it has really a personal significance for me personally. We have the 7 candles, the Mashuba Saba, and the colors, the liberation colors, the red, the black, and the green, which is the Bandera, a flag that was made popular by Marcus Garvey back in the, I don't even know what year, but back in the day. The red representing the blood of our people, the black, of course, the people, and the green, the land. The other symbols of Kwanzaa, we have the Kikumba Cha Umoja, which is the unity cup. Another fun fact, I actually made this cup in camp when I think I was about 16 years old. Has a couple chips on it because it was a few years ago. But the point is, it was handcrafted with love for our Kwanzaa table many, many years ago. Also on the table are the ears of corn. The ears of corn are called, take 2. The ears of corn represent the children. So we have dried ears of corn. The beauty of this is each seed is another generation, is another ear of corn, is another child, which is what the corn represents. Everything sits on the mat, the mkeka. So if you can see this, there is a straw mat here, which represents the foundation. So we have the mkeka, we have the kanara, we have the 7 candles. Each candle represents a principle of Kwanzaa. We have the unity cup. When we have our Kwanzaa celebrations, we typically pass the cup around. So whoever has the cup is able to speak. All righty. This is my mother. And Mom, tell the people when we started practicing Kwanzaa when I was a little girl.
Indeed. It was 1979. We were in Charlotte, North Carolina. I was working at some radio station there. And the community introduced me to Kwanzaa at one of the community centers. And one of the things that I have always appreciated about Kwanzaa is being an African-American person in America. Even though you may be in a very loving family, which I was and you were, the society, once you get outside of your door, everything is against you. Well, maybe not everything, but so many things are against you. And we as a people need to be reminded of how wonderful we are. We are talented. We have everything that it takes to actualize our highest self, even though the society may not recognize it. So having Kwanzaa to come together and remember that this is not something new. These principles go back for generations. We are in a system that doesn't support us, but to have that Kwanzaa spirit with us throughout the year is just so important. And so from 1979 to this good day, we have practiced Kwanzaa in our family.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. All righty. You want to come and light the first candle and talk about that?
Habari, Gani, which means in Kwanzaa, what's the word? I have good news to share in the Kwanzaa community. So part of the ceremony and some of the symbols that we have here on the Kanara are lighting of the candle. Each day we light a candle for each day of Kwanzaa. And we typically start with the black candle representing the people. So
Umoja.
Umoja is the first principle of Kwanzaa. So I'm
We're
going
gonna do 7 Habari Ganis and we can chant back.
to do that first.
Yeah.
So we're going to do Habari Gani 7 times. Then we're going to light the candle. So on 3, 1, 2, 3. Habari Gani.
Umoja.
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 All right, now we're going to light the first candle.
Yay!
Yay, unity. So important.
All right, Umoja, like they said, it means unity. Our people coming together throughout the diaspora, from Africa to North and South America, the Caribbean, knowing that we're all one people, one blood, one love.
Ashe,
Yes,
ashe,
yes,
ashe.
yes, and amen.
Yay! Thank you. And like he said, there are 7 principles. Umoja, this is what the definition is as given to us by Dr. Maulana Karenga. Umoja, unity, to strive for and maintain unity in the family, community, nation, and race. So Kwanzaa is a cultural holiday. It doesn't matter what your religion is. It's not a Black Christmas. It's not any of that. It's a holiday that celebrates us as one, coming together. Umoja. Happy Kwanzaa, everyone. Bye.